Are you still asking yourself questions like, how do I make $300 to $500 weekly? Well, I won't blame you because it's possible you are just coming across my channel or across my video for the first time. But well, you have yourself to blame if after now you are still asking yourself the same question. Because in this video, I'm gonna be fair enough to show you three good websites where you can make this from the comfort of your home. So just like you already know me, I love to show evidence, proofs of what I'm saying. So if you look here, this is from one of my students. She made £202 for the first time, and this person made £566. So now let me show you a live account from one of those websites. This is PayPal actually. So this is £50 pay from one of those sites. This is to show you that this is really working, and if you look, you see that this is directly from the browser, not that someone is screenshotting anything for you. I'm not using this to make you feel somehow, just for you to see that these websites are really working. So this is £154. If you convert this in your own currency, you know that this is a whole lot of money, you know. So this is another proof. This is £105, £200, and this is 120 US dollars. This is 51 pounds. This is 1,000 US dollars. Whether you are in Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, Kenya, United States of America, United Kingdom, Canada, or wherever you are, this video is specially for you because the three sites you can actually work there no matter your location. I'm gonna hold you by the hand and show you how you are going to be able to navigate through this website. All you need to do is to join my WhatsApp support group where I guide my students on how to do that. So the first website I'm going to talk about in this video is called, I'm actually going to start from the lowest to the highest. So if you want to know the particular website where you can make up to $500 within a week, just make sure you stay till the end of this video. And don't forget, this is Coach Emilia David, and you can always subscribe to this channel so that you can always get latest updates from me. So the first website I'm going to talk about is user interviews. If you've been following my channel, I'm sure that you are already earning from user interviews, because I got a lot of students saying that they have earned from user interviews. So I'm not the only one earning from this user interview. If you look here, you'll see these are my students who are already earning from this user interview. So these are clear evidence that user interviews actually pay, not only me but to my students as well. So if you are looking for a website where you can make up to $300 to $500, either from the comfort of your home or even in between your job, this user interviews is perfectly good for you. The only issue with user interviews is that you have to get approved before you work with them. But if you actually want to make this money, what issue do you have with getting approved? Personally, all I do in this user interviews is to apply for 2 to 3 moderated or unmoderated tasks. So before the week runs out, at least I'll be called for 1 or 2. And remember that in user interviews, they pay higher than most of other sites that I know. In user interviews, a single task can pay you up to $300 instantly, not like you doing 2 to 3 before you get up to that $300. A single task under user interviews can actually give you even $500 at once. And one thing good about user interviews is that once you perform either their moderated or unmoderated task, they are going to pay you. User interviews is very legit. When I talk of moderated tasks, it's this kind of task where you are being interviewed either through Zoom meetings, or maybe someone just talking to you, you are seeing them, you are seeing your interviewer is seeing you. So that is moderated task. But if you are someone who don't have that mind to be interviewed by a foreigner, you can also do the unmoderated task. And in user interviews, you can either use your mobile phone or your laptop, which makes it especially good for anybody that actually wants to make money online. So for the unmoderated task, you can always do that one. It's just a kind of survey, or just use scrolling through websites and telling them about the website without anybody monitoring you to see what you are doing on those websites. So if you want to really know more about user interviews, I created a step-by-step guide on how you can work on these user interviews and hit your first $300. So if you look up here, you're gonna see a video I made on user interviews. So that's that about user interviews. So the second website I'm going to talk about, this is actually the second to the best. The best one is what I'm going to share with you lastly. So for this second website, it's called Respondent. Respondent is one of the highest paying service sites where you can actually make $300 to $500 weekly. There's no issue with Respondent. I have a video that already covers how to create account on Respondent. So if you have not come across this video, just look up here. You will see the video I made on Respondent. So go create your account and work on Respondent. It can actually work for you no matter where you are. And if you have issue navigating the site, my WhatsApp support group is there for you. So come, we welcome you. So the best site that I want to talk about right now is the best. Like, if you look up here, you see the money my students just made in just few days working on this website. So the website is called Prolific. Prolific can give you this $500 without stressing you. So if you really want to make these dollars, my dear, this Prolific is the best I will recommend for you. If at this point you are still watching without subscribing to this channel, or what are you waiting for? Why not click on that subscribe button, be part of this family, so that whenever I share updates like this, I will always tell YouTube to notify you first before any other person. If you, like I said, this Prolific will not stress you. All you need to do is to do your verification, and if you have issue doing your verification on this particular website, come over to my WhatsApp support group where I'm going to guide you on how to do this. Till I see you next time, this is Coach Emilia David, your usual coach that will always teach you the right website where you can make money.